Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining me today. I'm excited to bring you my thoughts on the Galaxy's Edge Sabacc card game. If you're a Star Wars fan, a card gamer, or just someone looking for a fun strategy game to play with friends, this one might catch your eye. Let's dive in. When you open up the box, here's what you get: 62 cards, 2 dice, and clear instructions. The packaging is sharp, a hexagonal box with themed artwork that really evokes the feel of the galaxy far, far away. It's compact enough to carry around or stash with your game collection. Now, how you play. Sabacc is all about getting your hand as close to zero as possible. It's not just blind luck. There's strategy, risk, and timing built in. The twist: you need to weigh whether to draw, discard, or gamble with unknowns. That tension is what gives the game a lot of replay value. Because it supports 2 to 8 players, it's flexible. Whether it's a one-on-one showdown or a larger group game night, it scales nicely. In smaller groups, you get faster rounds. In bigger groups, it becomes more social, more chaotic, which can be fun. Pros: the Star Wars tie-in is well done. For fans, this is a beautifully themed collectible as well as a game. The core gameplay is simple to grasp but offers strategic depth as you play more rounds. Component quality is decent, cards feel solid, dice are crisp, the box holds everything well. Its small size means you don't need a lot of space to play or store it. Cons: things to watch out for. The game can feel a bit light if your group prefers heavy strategy. It's not a deep Euro-style game. In large groups, downtime might creep in while players calculate decisions. Because it's a theme park exclusive sort of item, at times pricing may be inflated by collectors. There's limited expansion content, at least from what's currently available. So the long-term novelty could fade if that's your style. In my playtests, the game hit a sweet spot between accessibility and fun. New players could jump in after a couple of rounds, but veteran gamers still found moments to second-guess moves and bluff. It's especially fun if your group includes fans of the Star Wars universe. That theming elevates the experience beyond a generic card game. If you're ready to bring a bit of Batuu spirit into your game nights, this is a strong pick, especially for a themed casual strategy game. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, feel free to hit subscribe and I'll catch you in the next review.